Designs, and this video I'm going to be going over how to create YouTube thumbnails in 5 minutes or less. So I am going to be going over a couple ways, so you want to make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video, and let's get right into it. So the first way is we're going to go over to Canva, and we're going to click templates, and we're going to type in YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see here, obviously if you're doing a YouTube or you have been on YouTube, and you can see these type of styles of thumbnails that people use, depending on your niche, whether you're vlogging or you're talking about your podcast or you're talking about different topics, you're going to pick which template fits your niche the best, and you're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and select this one, customize this template. And let's say how to create a thumbnail. Then we're going to go ahead and move this up, make this smaller. And we're going to go ahead over here and make the line spacing closer. And we're going to go ahead and center the alignment. We can center align this as well. How to create a thumbnail design. And so this has a text effect on it right here. So the background effect of the shadow is orange. You can change this as well to white and change the transparency if you would like. Or you can have it a different color and change the transparency as well. And so these effects right here, you can keep everything the same to keep it simple if you are a beginner and you don't want to do too much so that it takes less time. You can keep this the same. This effect is the shadow effect, and this is the effect on this one is the shadow as well. So how to create a thumbnail design, and then we might duplicate this. Say in 5 minutes. Depending on who your target audience is, you can keep this person here, or you can change the person to fit your target audience. As you grow your YouTube, you'll be able to see your analytics on who is watching you as far as men and women in their age range. So this is how you can be able to create a thumbnail in 5 minutes or less. And if you wanted to change this person, all you have to do is go over here to elements and type in the person. You can say surprised woman instead. And you can pick one of these people here and put it on your design. And you can adjust it as you need to. I see here that I spelled minutes wrong. And if this was a multi-part video, we might put somewhere part 1 so that people can keep track of your video series. So this is going to be part 1. I'm going to be creating a part 2 on how to easily create YouTube thumbnail designs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another video. And please let me know down in the comment section below what type of videos you want me to create next, and have a great day.